These agricultural stakeholders, drawn from various regional bodies such as the African Union, the Forum for Agricultural Research in Africa, FARA, among others. They have convened here at Southern Sun in Lusaka to develop the Common African Agro-Parks Program Green Climate Fund Strategy. FARA and the African Union Commission are both positive that the initiative will enhance smallholder farmers' access to finance and transform the continent's agricultural productivity.
Today, we are not just presenting a program. We are consolidating a systemic response to three interlinked imperatives: climate crisis, the structural deficit, agro-industrial capacity, and the fragmentation of investment pathway across agri-food system.
The Kampala Declaration commits to increasing Africa agri-food system by 45%. CAAPs is about transforming how Africa agri-food system and how we produce, process, and trade food, not incrementally but systematically. It's about equipping our farmers, especially our youth and women, to become climate smart, entrepreneurs, and industrial actors.
And the African Export-Import Bank has reaffirmed its pledge to fund climate initiatives for Africa's smallholder farmers to boost the continent's food security.
Bank has been a steadfast partner in advancing the CAAPs initiative, aligning its support with the bank's broader strategic vision. Under its sixth strategic plan, Bank has prioritized industrialization and export development as a cornerstone of its mandate. This strategy seeks to accelerate the structural transformation of Africa's trade by shifting away from dependence on export of primary commodities.
Meanwhile, the Common Market for Eastern and Southern Africa, COMESA, is also represented at this gathering.
It's a high time that we look at the agro-processing in a different way. It's a business as much as the financial institution may look at the agriculture sector and agro-processing as a very high risk, but it is a business that is profitable if the right financing mechanism is put into the sector.
It is hoped that this initiative will empower Africa's farmers, especially women and youth, in order to drive climate-smart agriculture and spearhead the continent's agro-industrial development. I'm Josampov reporting in Lusaka.